In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken links site-wide in Dreamweaver. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open Dreamweaver on your computer. This is your main workspace where all the magic happens. Having Dreamweaver open is the first step toward getting things sorted out. You'll want to make sure you're working in the right environment from the beginning. Now open your website files. These files contain all the content of your website. By opening them, you ensure that Dreamweaver can access everything it needs to check for those pesky broken links. It's crucial to have your files ready because it sets the stage for the next steps. From there, click on Site, then check Links Site-wide. This command is powerful. It tells Dreamweaver to scan your entire website for links that might not be working properly. It's like sending out a detective to find the culprits. This step is important because broken links can lead to a poor user experience, and it's essential to catch them early. Dreamweaver will then scan the entire site. This process might take a moment depending on the size of your website. Be patient as Dreamweaver does its work. It's methodically checking each link to ensure everything is in order. Wait for the results panel to appear. This panel is your report card. It will show you the status of all your links. Watching for this panel is key because it's your cue to move on to fixing any issues. Look carefully for links marked as broken, missing, or not found. These labels indicate where there's trouble. Identifying these problems is crucial because it tells you exactly what needs fixing. Remember, addressing these issues keeps your website functional and user-friendly. Next, double-click a broken link in the results list. Doing this will take you directly to the source of the problem. Dreamweaver will open the page containing that link, making it easy for you to pinpoint the exact location of the issue. This step helps streamline the process of fixing your links. Once you have the page open, find the incorrect link. This might be a link that points to a file that no longer exists or a typo in the URL. Locating the wrong link is essential because it's the root of the problem. With the incorrect link identified, you're ready to make the necessary changes. Now update the link to the correct file or page. Be sure to use the correct URL or file path. This update ensures that your links are directing users to the right places. It's a small change that makes a big difference in maintaining a seamless browsing experience for your visitors. Finally, save the page. This action is critical. By saving your changes, you ensure that your corrections are stored and applied. You'll see a confirmation that the page is saved. Saving consolidates all your hard work and ensures your site is ready to go live without broken links. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed broken links site-wide in Dreamweaver. Remember, keeping your links up to date is vital for a smooth user experience and improved search engine rankings. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.